Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a project that is going absolutely viral in the cryptocurrency space. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. You're responsible for your own funds, but with that said and done, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is peaq. peaq is a specialized blockchain platform that enables the creation of decentralized physical infrastructure networks, also called Depins. Now, if you don't know what a Depin is, it's essentially a decentralized network that can power things like apps and machines and stuff like that, and it's not monopolized or centralized or owned by one system here. It's owned by a community of people, and peaq is generally catering to that on a blockchain level, allowing people to essentially build apps on their blockchain that are specifically catering to that need. Simply, peaq is helping to create systems where machines can work together, share data, and even earn money. This could be anything from self-driving cars in a city that communicate with each other to make traffic flow more smoothly, to smart devices like drones and robots that perform complex tasks and report data back to their operators. peaq's platform also allows machines to operate autonomously and connect directly to one another without the need for centralized authority. Now, the blockchain itself provides the tools for developers to build Depins, which are decentralized apps and protocols designed for various machines and devices. It also offers a system for machine DeFi, a new type of decentralized finance created specifically for machines. Machine DeFi allows machines to trade, earn, and manage assets independently. This could work on 5G networks, AI data marketplaces, and autonomous taxis. It can also work on air quality monitoring, electric bike and scooter sharing, and many other systems that you see in the day-to-day life. If we actually go to the peaq dashboard here, we can actually see that they're offering a staking option that gives returns up to 18% on the APR. That is something that is way above average for staking, and as you can see here, they're already gaining a lot of traction and have got over 500 million in total value staked. Now, if you want to get involved with peaq and potentially buy the coin, it will be listed on Bitget on their launch pool, right? So very easy to get involved with this. Just click on the link in the description and you can essentially lock up BGB, which is Bitget's native token, or USDT, to share in millions and tens of millions of peaq that they are giving away to people that lock up their funds, right? So fantastic stuff here. All you got to do is stake and get an airdrop of this coin over time via a staking system. That's something that is fantastic and great for the peaq ecosystem generally. So yeah, good stuff from them. Great stuff from Bitget for supporting a project like this as well. So this campaign is running from November 12th all the way up to November 19th. So definitely get involved as soon as possible. And just to summarize, they do have two pools here that you can get involved with, where existing Bitget users can enter the launch pool and lock up at least 5 BGB to grab a share of the 10 million peaq. The second activity is for new Bitget users, people that aren't on Bitget yet, and if you do sign up and you lock up at least 5 USDT, you grab a share of 1.8 million in peaq. If we're looking at some of their partners here, we can actually see that they do have MasterCard, Airbus, just to name a few massive potential payment processors that could be incorporated into the peaq ecosystem. Okay, some more stats here. They do have over 1 billion in value of devices on Depins on peaq already. Okay, they have over 50 Depins building on the peaq network currently, and they have over 2 million machines, vehicles, robots, and devices all running peaq and operating autonomously. Currently, they are shaping 21 industries with Depins on peaq, and I imagine that will expand rapidly as these guys grow. So a couple things about this blockchain, guys. It's super decentralized, okay? Massively scalable, so you can get 100,000 transactions per second by leveraging their very unique elastic scaling and agile core time systems. They have super green features, which essentially means it's massively environmentally friendly, because obviously a lot of it is automated, a lot of it's robotics, so it's not going to be generating massive carbon footprints across the board here with a system like this that's coming into place. And they have modular Depin functions. peaq provides ready-to-use modular functions to power and tokenize vehicles, robots, and devices on any Depin. So if you are a part of any of these systems that are on the blockchain here, guys, on this peaq blockchain, you can actually earn from helping this thing operate. You can do this via nodes or building the application and releasing it on peaq and getting that application successful. So fantastic stuff across the board here. Peaq is just a brilliant idea, and it's something that is scaling ridiculously quickly. So definitely get involved in the description with this thing. In summary, guys, peaq is a Depin-centric blockchain that is a layer 1, and it helps to essentially benefit decentralized energy markets, machine crowdfunding, decentralized insurance, machine liquidity mining, and machine lending and borrowing on an automated level, okay? This is going to be massive when it comes to 5G networks, AI, autonomous vehicles and taxis, and many other industries as well. This is an insanely disruptive project, so definitely go get involved on BitGet right now. That is going to be it from me. Be sure to drop a like on the video. Let me know in the comments what you think of Depins and if you think Depins have a future. I personally think Depins are the future, and they are going to be absolutely dominant in the mainstream. So again, this project is definitely one to watch. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.